What are you doing?
I've got a pick ticket here. Going to be shipping out a pump package to one of our customers. How about you come along with me and you can see it.
All right.
Hi, Patty.
Hi, Patty.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
What's up?
We're filming a video for DXP,
Oh my goodness.
and I thought you should be included because you're one of my favorite DX people.
Oh, well thank you.
I'm glad DXP put this here so that if I forget my safety glasses, I can just come here and get them. Let's go over here and see Fred. It's got a closed coupling, little spur gear pump, relief valve, 7.5 horsepower motor. Always nice to get another pump package shipped out. I always wonder, as they go out and they get to pump all sorts of liquids, I wonder what goes through those pumps' minds.
I don't think the pumps think.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh well. I do love my job here.